Is it time to buy or sell the SPY ETF? In this video, we will explore SPY in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 13th of January, 2025, and now we are here to offer you an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You won't want to miss any important updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since January 13th, 2025, our system has ranked SPY as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 1.23. Now, let's examine the performance of this exchange-traded fund during this time frame. We will continue to monitor this evaluation to observe how it develops in the coming days. The exchange-traded fund lies in the lower part of a weak rising trend in the short term, which may present a favorable buying opportunity. If the lower trend floor at 580.74 is breached, it will initially indicate a slower rate of increase, but it may also serve as an early warning for a potential shift in the trend. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible change of 2.58% over the upcoming 3 months, with an expected return ranging between 2.47% and 8.29%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it suggests a change of 23.16% over the next 12 months, with a potential return between 20.49% and 31.5%. This would translate to a price range of 700.54 to 761.93 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for SPY includes the headline: SPY ETF upgraded from sell candidate to buy candidate after Monday trading session. The SPY ETF price gained 155% on the last trading day, which was Monday, the 13th of January, 2025. It rose from $580.49 to $581.39. During the last trading day, the ETF fluctuated by 1.11%, with a day low at $575.35 and a day high of $581.75. The price has fallen in 6 of the last 10 days and is down by 3.32% during this period. Volume decreased on the last day by 22 million shares, with a total of 42 million shares bought and sold for approximately $24.23 billion. It is important to consider that falling volume alongside higher prices can indicate divergence and may serve as an early warning of potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $609.06, while the lowest price was $469.88. Currently, the price is 4.54%, or $27.67, below the 52-week high of $609.06, which also represents the all-time high for the ETF. Market sentiment is cautious today, particularly impacting the SPY, which tracks the S&P 500 index. The S&P 500 is currently under pressure, having slid by 0.4% amid fears of rising interest rates and disappointing performance from major tech stocks. Key inflation data is looming, raising investor anxiety about the Federal Reserve's rate path. A surprising job report further complicates the outlook, with investor concern escalating as stocks fell sharply last week. Palantir's notable drop of 4% and Moderna's staggering 23% plunge are dragging the index lower, highlighting a challenging environment for growth stocks. Meanwhile, rising treasury yields and uncertainty surrounding inflation could jeopardize the market's stability in the near term, emphasizing the necessity for traders to exercise caution. Despite these immediate pressures, there's potential for long-term recovery as strategists, like RBC's Lori Calvasina, maintain an optimistic year-end target for the S&P 500 at 6,600, suggesting that a pullback of 5 to 10% may not deter overall growth. This mixed outlook indicates that while short-term fluctuations could trigger volatility, a robust recovery may still be on the horizon for the SPY, depending on broader economic conditions and market developments. Investors should remain vigilant as the broader market navigates these challenges, capitalizing on potential long-term opportunities as they arise. The following signals have been identified for SPY. The SPY exchange-traded fund holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a more negative forecast for the ETF. Additionally, there is a general sell signal resulting from the relationship between these two signals, where the long-term average is above the short-term average. During upward corrections, some resistance is expected at the levels of $587.43 and $596.72. A breakout above either of these levels will generate buy signals. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, commonly known as MACD. Some positive signals have also been issued, which may influence near-term developments. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on Friday, January 10, 2025, and so far it has increased by 0.155%. Further increases are indicated until a new top pivot is established. Notably, volume decreased during the last trading day despite rising prices, creating a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning. The ETF should be monitored closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, buy signal 2 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 15 days ago. Shortu, short-term moving average, buy signal 6 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 11 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 14 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal 11 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 3 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for SPY. SPY finds support from accumulated volume at $580.49. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. Generally, this exchange-traded fund displays very controlled movements, and with good liquidity, the associated risk is considered quite low. Over the past day, the ETF experienced a movement of $6.40 between its high and low, translating to 1.11%. For the past week, the ETF has shown a daily average volatility of 1.24%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SPY. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for SPY is at $586.10. If you do not currently own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the ETF, this could represent a consideration for swing trading. On the downside, SPY encounters its first support level at $580.49. If this support level holds, it could serve as a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $549.29, reflecting a decline of 5.52%. This exchange-traded fund experiences very low daily movements, which translates to minimal risk. Additionally, a buy signal has emerged from a pivot bottom identified 1 day ago. Is the SPY exchange-traded fund a good investment option? Currently, several signals and indicators are pointing in a negative direction, which could impact its performance over the coming days and possibly weeks. However, we believe that the price level today presents a potential buying opportunity, with expectations that it will rise during or by the end of this 3-month period. Consequently, we have revised our analysis for this exchange-traded fund, upgrading our recommendation from a sell to a buy candidate. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price appears overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, January 14th, we anticipate that SPY will open lower, with a decrease of $1.89, starting at $579.50. We remind you that trading carries a significant risk of losing money. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment decisions should not solely rely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? Share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.